Hello everyone, my name is Siddique and I am from Pakistan. This is my final project for CS50P. I have created an interactive game hub called Game Hub, where users can play 3 games: tic-tac, magic 8 ball and rock paper scissors. The project consists of four main files: project.py, test underscore, project.py requirements.txt, readme.md. In project.py, the core logic game is implemented, containing 12 functions that handle the user interaction and game's rule. Test project.py, the file is for testing the function and ensure that everything is worked correctly. And requirements.txt, this file lists all the libraries needed for the project, make it easy to install them using command pip install. And in readme.md, these files provide an overview of the project, including installation instructions and how to use the game. In the game, player can easily choose a game and exit by pressing Ctrl+C. Each game has its own sets of functions. For example, rock paper scissors uses the is-win function to determine the winner, while tic-tac manages the board and checks for the win. If we select game 1, which is tic-tac, 2 players playing the game, player 1 select 1 and player 2 if select 5, then the turn is for player 1 with who select 4, and then second player select 9, and in the last second player select 7. Then X player has won the game, and by selecting N we are back from the game. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this overview of my Game Hub project.